another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Wagwan.
Now today we're going to get straight into our She's Hot contest. First, starting it off with the return of the She's Hot contest trophy.
That's right.
Now we haven't shown this one off in a while, but we've decided to bring it back just for you guys. And this time, our winner really deserves the trophy because she is scandalous and she's a vixen. Our winner is none other than Miss Katie Holmes.
Congratulations, Miss Katie Holmes.
Now, she was the previous wife of Mr. Tom Cruise, but now she has other plans, apparently with Bobby.
Running the streets.
But we're gonna get straight into our hot topics. We're gonna start off with our first hot topic with Jurassic World. So the new Jurassic World has finally released, Jurassic World Dominion, and a lot of people are saying that it's the worst film of the series. We personally haven't watched it yet, so we can't say our full review. I think it looks a little bit cheesy, but who knows? You just can't trust all of the reviews now, especially since some of the best films we've seen have gotten really bad reviews.
That's right, and that's why we're gonna go see it tonight. So we'll let you guys know. On to our next hot topic with Miss Rebel Wilson. So I guess, IK, the men just weren't for her. She recently came out today as gay at 42 with her new girlfriend, and she says that all this time she thought she was looking for a Disney prince, but in reality she was looking for a Disney princess. I have no comment on this. What do you have to say, IK?
That for the other side. Let's get into our next hot topic with Black Adam. Now, Black Adam is another film that's coming up pretty soon, and they released a few different characters that are going to be a part of the cast. I personally think they look hokey, but they did bring in one character that I'm surprised about, and that is Pierce Brosnan playing Dr. Fate. Now, first off, Pierce Brosnan isn't really fit anymore, but okay. And second off, I think Pierce Brosnan, they almost should have gotten someone else, but I feel that all of these characters are going to be expendable. I mean, just look at the most recent DC films.
Like The Rock, he's definitely a character that is not drawing me. The Rock definitely has to go home. But Pierce Brosnan, maybe he just misses being on set. He misses how it was like, to act and be in the films. And Pierce Brosnan does have his own fan base too that he can bring into the movie. So that will be very exciting to see.
Excuse me, ma'am?
I have a boyfriend.
Okay, that's great. I just want to let you know that your tire's flat.
Will you mind helping me?
Get your boyfriend to do.
Into our next hot topic though with J-Lo. So even though it has been months, J-Lo is still gushing about her quote-unquote deep love for her fiance, Ben Affleck.
You hate to see it.
You know, Dr. Ross, this actually reminds me of the next topic with J-Lo. So J-Lo was saying for the Super Bowl halftime performance last year, I believe, she actually is saying in a documentary now that she didn't want to be up there with Shakira.
Then why'd you show up? On to our next hot topic with Kourtney Kardashian says she and Travis Barker were so annoyed that the Kardashians trailer for the new season focused on Scott Disick more than their engagement being the whole episode. What are your thoughts, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, at this point, she is just scandalous. Kourtney, the whole clan have changed their Instagram profiles, and Kourtney has definitely started posting a lot more scandalous photos. It seems as now she's trying to compete with Kim.
Exactly. And Kourtney, you never know. Maybe the TV providers that were doing the trailer, maybe they didn't want to see you guys licking each other's faces for 24 hours. Maybe they wanted to show some different parts of the segment to bring more viewers in.
That's a good point.
But on to our next hot topic, on more scandalous waters. Britney Spears is getting married now. Weirdly enough, I thought they were married a while back, but she's getting married today, and both of her sons said they will not be attending the wedding.
This is a thumbs down for me. And we're not going to dive too much into this topic, but thumbs down. These were all of our hot topics for today since we have places to go and things to do. But we'll see you guys in the next episode of Rose and Gold. Keep on winning. Via con Diaz. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. We out.